Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Dale and Dawson Stationery Supplies scheme any kind of crashing problem on your PC. I will show you guys the very effective solution that fix your problem definitely. So first make a right click on your taskbar, you will see the task manager, open it. And guys, here first you just need to close all the background application. You will see the memory or the CPU on the top. If these are about the 90%, then this means this is the danger symbol. So on the top you will see the application that are consuming the most of your CPU or RAM and causing your game crash. So make a right click on all of that, then just click on the end task. Then go to the startup apps on the top. And guys, here just disable all the applications you are seeing here because these applications start automatically when you start your PC and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage and causing your game crash. So make sure you disable all of these. Then the next setting is the privacy settings. So go to the Windows search and just type here the privacy settings and it will appear on the top, so open it. Now here on the left hand side just scroll down and you will find the background app. Just click on the background apps and guys, here just turn it off. If this option is on your PC, then just turn it off because these applications consume a lot of CPU or RAM usage and cause your game crash. Now the next setting is the system configurations. So you have to go to the Windows search and just type here the system configurations and simply open it. Here you will see the boot on the top, so just click on the boot, then just click on the advanced options. Now here just select the maximum number of processor you have. If you have the 4, 8, any value, then just select the maximum number of processors. This will increase your game performance and this is very important setting. Then just click on the OK. Then you will see the services on the top. Just click on that. Then just check this box of the hide all Microsoft services. Now just click on the disable all. You just need to disable these services because these services are consuming a lot of CPU or RAM and causing your game crash. As you can see, I already stopped these. Then just click on the apply. Then you must need to restart your PC to apply the changes. Then launch the game and your any kind of crashing problem will be fixed with this game. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video and bye bye and take care.